Hello there, John Santos once again, and it's time to reveal more beauty secrets from the world of Erase. Erase is a company that has been in the body care business for so many years. At isa sa kanilang mga binigyan ng pansin ay ang ating buhok. Ngayong Kapaskuhan, Erase has something that will make your hair shine sa kanilang Keratin Shampoo with Argan Oil.
Do you want to know one of the best hair care secrets of artists like Daniela? It's actually more within reach than you think. Keratin Shampoo with Argan Oil by Erase is rich in protein and keratin. It uses a breakthrough formula of customized smoothing treatments so that you get smooth and nourished hair every time. And you get a Brazilian blowout treat in every sachet. Keratin and argan oil in the formula create a protective layer around the hair shaft so that it eliminates frizz and smoothens the hair cuticle. The result is frizz-free, shiny hair that radiates and shines.
And you can expect a smoother and radiant hair with its regular use. So do enhance your beauty with beautiful hair from the Keratin Shampoo with Argan Oil.
Go ahead and try the Keratin Shampoo with Argan Oil by Erase, as well as the other products in the brand. We're available in Mercury Drug, Watson's, South Star Drug, as well as other leading supermarkets and drugstores nationwide. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at EraseJMC and visit our website at www.erase.ph.
See you again next time as we bring you more beauty secrets from Erase.